This video will be about common metamorphic rocks, the one that I have right in front of me. Metamorphic rocks are formed under very high temperatures and pressure. That's why some of them look very shiny. And actually, they also have crystals, like this rock and this one. So sometimes we get confused. We think it's maybe igneous rocks, because igneous rocks also have crystals. But in fact, this shiny crystal, it's part of a metamorphic rock, which is called marble. So marble is an improved version of limestone. When we put limestone under high pressure and high temperature, you will see that these calcium crystals will grow into something really big, and they will create this rock called marble, which is very expensive. When we use shale, which is a sedimentary rock, but if we apply a little bit of temperature and pressure, it will be slightly improved to this rock called slate. So slate has foliation. So this is kind of layers. Foliation is a very common feature for metamorphic rocks. That's how we identify these rocks, not by the crystal size, but by foliation. So most of metamorphic rocks, they have foliation. And this is just a good example. Slate, it's not that hard rock. Well, it's a little bit harder than shale, which is sedimentary rock. This is already metamorphic, slightly improved in properties, but still not as hard as schist. So this is a good example of schist. It has a little bit of crystals on top, and it also has foliation. So these are lines, so these are crystals of that material arranged in a certain way that will create foliation. So schist is considered slightly better material, so slightly stronger than slate. But because it has foliation and it has layers, its strength in this direction, in the direction of the layers, it's not very high. And if we put more pressure and high temperature and try to improve this material, schist, we will have gneiss. So this material, you see it also have foliation. That's how we know that it's metamorphic rock, but it's much harder. So this is very good, very hard rock that I would like to see in our engineering practice more often, because it's not going to give us any problem compared to, for example, slate or shale or any other soft materials that we talked about in previous videos. So this is going to be gneiss, and this is how we identify it. It's really hard, but it still has foliation. Thanks for watching this video, and have a nice day.